How to log in to Plesk. After successfully placing a payment order, you will receive a welcome email from your hosting provider containing the login URL and credentials. In the hosting company's welcome email, you get a permanent link such as hostname.com:8443 or 8880. Go to the given Plesk URL or open your browser. Up in the address bar, type in your domain name or the server IP address :8443. I have used example.com, but you would replace example.com with your server host name. Sometimes the port number may differ, and you will need to use the port provided in the welcome email instead of port 8443. This URL brings you to a sign-in page. Enter your username and password, and then click the Login button. If the login credentials are correct, you will successfully log into your Plesk account. Now you know how to log in Plesk. Thank you for watching.